Welcome to my channel. It's been a long time since I didn't upload anything, but today, I am going to make the expanding card animation that opens when you click on it. Start with the CSS file, first going to import the font family. And all elements should be in box sizing border box. And making sure it shows in the middle of the page. After doing that, you have to attach the CSS file with the link tag. And for JavaScript file, you have to use the script tag. That active class show which panel will stretch. Copy and paste that div. Now back to CSS. Adding some styling on the panel class. And inside the panel div there is an H3 tag, so implement the styling on that. this animation trigger on flex, so adjusting it on 5. You can see if I change the active class to another div, it works the same as the other div as well. Now adding Media Query to make it responsive for mobile devices. For JavaScript, we have to trigger the event on each panel class. Click for that, using the query selector. For each loop, we'll go through each and every panel element. First, we remove the active class from each and every panel. When the user clicks on the panel, remove the active class on all, and add the active class on that particular panel which gets clicked.